back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right, hi guys, welcome to Patois Chronicles. We're in a new month, not just any new month, but we're in Black History Month, and in this month I'll be showcasing a little bit about my culture and my heritage as a Jamaican. In this video you'll hear the instrumental of Yes, our national anthem. Being Jamaican isn't just a nationality, it's an experience. Boom. Yes, we come to the end of another Patois Chronicles. You guys just heard the instrumental, yes, of Jamaica's national anthem. And thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm inviting you to Morning Glory Mondays through Fridays at 6 a.m. Eastern Time, and on Saturdays and Sundays at 7:30 a.m. I invite you to Games Night this Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Please to check out my members as well. Bye.